Video on setting up a custom report in Google Analytics. My name is Simon from eTech and I'm just going to take you through some basic steps for this today. If we click on the customization tab once we're in the Analytics tool, if we go to new custom report, I'm just going to give this a title, referral traffic example. I'm going to leave the report tab blank for now. The metric groups, if I add in standard metrics that I want to capture, which is I want to look at how many people are visiting the site, which is under sessions, the average time people are spending on the page, and if people are bouncing from the page or not. In the dimension drill down section, this is basically where you can structure how you want to see the data. And you can move it around so you can get the best view possible. If I click on add dimension, I'm looking today at traffic sources because I want to look at a type of traffic of referral data. So if I filter this by looking back on the traffic type, I'm going to leave that as it is. We could go regular expression if we're doing pattern matching, but I'm going to keep it on exact match. And I'm going to click in here. If I start typing refer R, it gives me that referral. If I then save this report, this is going to give me a summary view of the data. So we can see referral traffic type, which is because we're only looking at that data, and then the sessions, average time on page, bounce rate. Now, unfortunately I can't drill down further into this data, and I would like to see more information on this. So if I click on edit again to go back into the report, if I add another dimension and do a full referrer, this basically gives me a next level stage to the hierarchy, so I can see further data. So if I save this now, we will now be able to see the same summary view, but now that becomes a link. If I click that now, it gives me the actual referral data from those URLs. So this is really good because it means that I can then order how I want to see the data. And so this is now giving me all the information I need to see, and it's still laid out in sessions, average time on page, bounce rate, and it's giving me the full referred URL. And up here where it says all and traffic type referral, that's sort of shows you different stages of the hierarchy that we saw in the dimension drill downs section. So if I now click on all, it will now take me back to the summary view of the first stage of the hierarchy. So this is just a great way that if you've got a report that you want to create for your manager, or something that you know you're going to keep using over and over again, you don't want to keep manually searching for this data, you can create a custom report, save that report, and then if you're going to rerun that same report over every month, for example, you could just easily have this report on hand to go back in and change the date, and then it's a great tool for that. So hopefully that will give you a good idea how to do this. The only other thing I would mention is, so in here, if I wanted to I know that I wouldn't want to change these around for this example, but you can move this data up and down. So you can go different levels down, quite a few different levels down the hierarchy of different data you want to see. Hopefully that will give you a good example of how to set up a custom report in Google Analytics. Thank you very much. This is Simon from eTech, and I look forward to taking any other comments you've got on this, and please follow us on YouTube. Thank you very much.